guys, my name is Tamara Lenkowski from healthytreatsmarket.com, where everything is keto-friendly, gluten-free, diabetic-friendly. All you gotta do, we're gonna make a chocolate cake today. All you gotta do is open up the packet, dump it in a cereal bowl, add 1 egg, and you can add 2 tablespoons of cream. I personally choose to add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt instead of the cream. We're going to mix this and microwave it for 2 minutes. This is what your cake looks like after being in the microwave for 2 minutes. This cake is 130 calories. It has 7 grams of fiber, 16 grams of protein, 3 net carbs, and only 4 grams of fat. It's even better than keto because it's not high fat, it's high protein. And you can put whatever toppings you want. I'm just gonna put some Ready Whip on it. The stevia sweetened chocolate chips. I like to do the 0 sugar sweet syrup. Sugar-free caramel syrup. Even with all these toppings, you're still under 200 calories and you will be full on this chocolate cake. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit healthytreatsmarket.com. And if you live nearby in Michigan, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. And don't forget to go check out healthytreatsmarket.com for the ingredients and recipes.